Right behind me is a waste disposable machine that's been used by a very eminent hospital to dispose of the waste. What they do is they put in the syringes, the drips, and other such things. For instance, blood samples and the ones that are not used, they've been put in and then they're burnt at more than 100 degrees centigrade. Now, it's a very good and efficient way of disposing of the waste. The only problem, however, is the smoke that's been emitted through this machine once the entire waste is being burnt. Now, it's very heartening to know that a procedure like this is being used to dispose of the waste. However, there are many unofficial ways of disposing the waste as well. We'll be talking to one of the personnel who's disposing the waste over here. सुने ये ज़रा बताइए हमें कि ये जो आपने कचरा यहाँ फेंका है, ये आपके अस्पताल वालों ने कहा है कि यहाँ पे फेंकना है?
जी हाँ, ये असल में सालन वाला होता है। जो सालन वाला वो मशीन में नहीं जलता है। ठीक है जी, हमारे पास एंसीडेंटल लगा हुआ है, हम बाकी सारा कचरा जो जरासीम वाला वहाँ जलाते हैं।
अच्छा, तो फिर आप यहाँ पे क्यों फेंकते हैं? यहाँ तो बहुत आलूदगी फैल गई है इसकी वजह से।
ये सब लोग यहीं फेंकते हैं जी, कहाँ फेंकें बताइए।
यहाँ पर कोई आता है जो इस कचरे को लेके जाए?
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल लेके आ जाते हैं।
कितने दिनों बाद आते हैं?
रोज़ आते हैं।
तो यहाँ पे पहले से इतना कचरा पड़ा हुआ है, लग तो नहीं रहा है कि कल यहाँ पे साफ हुआ है?
अभी अभी गाड़ियाँ लेके गई हैं।
और यहाँ पे मुझे साहब मिले थे जो यहाँ कचरा फेंक रहे थे, उन्होंने कहा था जो ड्रिपें हैं और जो दूसरी चीज़ें सिरिंजें वो उसको बेच देते हैं आगे जाके।
ये इन लोगों से पूछें जी, ये हम नहीं बता सकते। जो ये कचरे में हाथ मारते हैं ना, ये वो बताएंगे।
So what he's telling over here is the fact that they're saying that things which are disposable items like food, which are perishable items, have been disposed of over here. However, syringes and drips and other such things, according to him, they don't sell it off. However, there were a couple of other people who I spoke to earlier on who were disposing the waste off over here, who said that they do sell it ahead, which is extremely dangerous. We're seeing another woman who will be coming and throwing some of the waste over here. Let's talk to her. Let's see if she has another story or she's going to stick to the same one. ये जो आप कचरा फेंक रही हैं, ये कहाँ से ला रही हैं?
वार्ड से ला रही हैं।
कहाँ से?
वार्ड में नीरोजी में।
ये अस्पताल से ला रही हैं?
हाँ।
इसमें किस किस्म की चीज़ें हैं? खाने पीने की हैं या और भी किस्म की हैं?
की नहीं है।
क्या है?
ये वो है केले का कचरा, सिरिंजी है, बस वही।
अच्छा, सिरिंजे वगैरह क्या आप यहाँ पे इसी तरह फेंक देती हैं?
हाँ हाँ।
इधर आइए, इधर आइए।
सिरिंजें भी पड़ी हैं इसमें।
So we've noticed over here, although the person we were talking to earlier said that the waste that they throw over here just includes perishable items, which is just food. However, we also have some syringes and other drips that are over here. This is extremely dangerous because what some people do is that they pick these syringes, they handpick all of these syringes and they sell them off later to other people, and this we know can spread diseases like hepatitis C because these are reused syringes. According to a person we spoke to earlier, says that that truck comes every day to pick this waste. But you can see the amount of waste. I think we'll show it to you once again. This waste over here, if you have a look at it, is massive. Is massive. It's not possible that it's just been collected or accumulated in one day. आप लोगों को ये कभी फिक्र होती है कि ये जो सिरिंजें इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं ये साफ़ हैं या पहले से रीयूज़ हुई हुई हैं? आप लोग इस चीज़ का ख्याल रखते हैं? स्टेरलाइज्ड है या नहीं?
टाइम पर तो मकसद कोई ऐसा देखने में नहीं आता। मरीज़ अपनी तबीयत में होता है कि उसकी तबीयत ख़राब है तो लाजमी आता है वो जो चाहे इंजेक्शन लगा दिया। अब हमें क्या पता कि वो मकसद इस्तेमाल की हुई है बगैर इस्तेमाल की हुई है, इसका तो कोई पता नहीं।
There is lack of awareness. As we can see, these patients don't even check. They're saying that they don't have the time at the time when they're ill and they come in, they don't even check if the syringes have been reused or are they sterilized or not. Do you think the civil authorities and you being a doctor know about these developments that people have been just irrationally throwing the waste, which includes drips and syringes, which could be reused or resold by people? They pick it up from the waste over there and they do that. Does the civil hospital know about this?
Yeah, well, I think the authorities know about that, but just as I mentioned initially, it's the public that has to be educated. They have to be educated properly about the civic sense. It's not that we don't know. We are aware of that, but it's just that the public should be made aware of that.
Now I'm standing outside a very eminent hospital which claims about its extremely hygienic conditions. Now we follow one of the personnel that came outside the hospital and he was disposing the waste of the hospital. And what we noticed is that we asked him a couple of questions and he told us that the drips and syringes which have been used, he sells them off to other people, and what he does is the rest of the waste is disposed off over here. And you can see how extremely polluted it is. This place is stingy, it's stinking, and it's adding to the very already polluted city of Karachi. Maheen Mustafa, Dawn News, Karachi.